Hey guys, welcome back to your review channel. Today I'm talking about this awesome ultrasonic cleaning solution by Durabasics. I ordered this online, got it in a day, which is crazy. And this is a highly concentrated cleaner, and I use it with my machine here. This is an ultrasonic machine. I use it with this machine. You can use any ultrasonic machine, but I'm really focusing on this right here because there's not a lot of videos about this, and I was actually testing it and using it, cleaning some clock parts. So I wanted to get some things cleaned up and you know, get some of the grease and grime and the gears. You know, those little tiny gears are very difficult to clean. Something like this is fantastic. This is a 5-to-1 ratio. You could even use a little, even more ratio than that if you want to be a little bit more mild concentration. Definitely works well for engine parts. It says carburetors, fuel injectors, metal parts. This is remove stubborn contaminants, which is this is one of the main things I liked about it. A USA product, which I definitely support that as well. Non-corrosive to aluminum and metal parts, which is really super important. So I'll do some quick cutaway here. I did some cleaning with the ultrasonic machine with this solution here. I did actually probably a little bit, maybe like 6-to-1. I didn't want it super concentrated, and I'll just give you a quick example. As you can see in this cutaway, you can see the dirt and the grime inside the water. You can see how it's working. No issues whatsoever. So I'm definitely going to recommend this 1000%, guys. You have to get something like this here. I mean, you can buy all the other stuff over the counter and all the other stuff that's in the stores, but something that really helps degrease and clean is really what you're looking for. And you really want something that's going to give you a good value. And I'll give you an example, quick, come back here. Here's an example of an old clock movement, and you can see it's dirty and it's got a lot of grime. It's very difficult, you know, if you don't want to take it apart and clean all the insides, I would just submerge the whole thing. There's really nothing going to damage this. I tested it on plastic, not a problem, works fine. And this is an example of a clean one. So you can see how clean these things get. I mean, this is the old one here, this is the clean one. And this is just an example how it just gets all the gears and all the stuff really super clean. Is it going to make it brand new? No. This is 50, 60, 70 years old. Is it going to be brand new? No. But what it's going to do is take all the grease and grime off these small little gears that you can't do. You have to take it all apart and disassemble it. This way, I think you should just honestly, I just put it right in the cleaner, I just put the whole thing in there, and it works fine. It's absolutely fantastic. So I love this stuff 1000%. Definitely go ahead and pick up this thing here. I don't think you'll be disappointed at all. There's no foul smell. There's no, doesn't smell like really anything. It's actually pretty cool. It's like almost like a soapy, sudsy consistency, which I like that. So it's not a very harsh looking chemical like some of the chemicals are. Years ago, you know, I used to work in the trade as a mechanic years and years ago. We used to use gasoline to clean everything, and that was disgusting. But we did, and it worked really well because it was cheap and it was a great solvent. So this is another really good product right here, USA. I'm going to highly recommend this. Go ahead and pick it up. I think you won't be disappointed. I'm definitely going to support this 1000%, and I'm going to get more when I need more. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this review.